everyone and welcome back to our channel. As Zoho partners, we sometimes get the questions from our clients, what if I'm using the Zoho software on the website in the cloud version, but I want to have a PC app that I can work with offline? And yes, you can. In this video, I will guide you through all of the apps that Zoho has for personal computer and talk about their different features and how to download and install them. Before we begin this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button because we produce a lot of useful content. For example, next week's video will be all of the shortcut keys that you can use in Zoho software across different apps. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and let's get on to the video. As already mentioned, yes, you can download the desktop apps of Zoho on your computer, but not for all of the Zoho software apps. And we'll talk about all of the apps that have the desktop version. But before we begin talking about the different apps that have the desktop version, we'll talk about the procedure of how to download and use the different desktop apps. And the first step is getting a Zoho subscription for a certain app or a bundle of apps, for example, Zoho CRM Plus, or Zoho One that has 45 apps in the bundle, and some of them have desktop version. So before you're trying to download the app on your computer, you obviously need to subscribe to the software, and I would also recommend already setting up the software in the website version because it will take less time and it's easier to navigate and to set everything up, especially if you're using multiple apps. It's much better to synchronize them and integrate them on the website and cloud version rather than on PC. After everything is settled, you can go by the link and download a certain app that you want to use on desktop. If you can't find the links to the apps that you want to use, we already wrote an article with all of the instructions and the links where you can download different apps. I will leave the link to it down below in the description box so you can go and download the apps from there and also get your subscription from there. And now let's talk about the apps that you can download for your personal computer. And first one is Zoho CRM Plus bundle. Unfortunately, Zoho CRM doesn't have a separate desktop version, but you can use it as a part of the bundle of Zoho CRM Plus. So Zoho CRM Plus is a unified customer interaction platform that brings your marketing, sales, and support teams together and gives them the tools they need to work most effectively. All of the features of Zoho CRM Plus are packed into one seamless desktop application to unify your sales, marketing, and support. So Zoho CRM Plus desktop version is available for Windows, Macs, and Linux, and it can be launched anytime and it will be already synchronized with the cloud, so everything that you're doing in your desktop version will be already saved in the cloud. So if you're opening up the website, it will be still synchronized momentarily. The next app that has the desktop version is Zoho Mail. Zoho Mail Desktop Lite client is a free installable application that allows you to access Zoho Mail from your desktop or laptop. With all of the comfort and familiarity of the web interface, it also allows easier and faster access to your Zoho Mail inbox. The desktop app is also synced with web version, which enables easy transition between both if needed. And there's also some advantages of the desktop app compared to the website version. First of all, that everything is loading much faster because when you have a lot of tabs open, the response type of the website can be a bit longer. Plus, you can set up how you see the notification and sounds of the notifications more in the desktop app compared to the website version. And you also get a frameless look on your computer that can help you to see all of the emails and to set them up to the different folders and to see the emails much clearer. The next app that has a desktop version is Zoho Books. So Zoho Books is a modern accounting app designed for Windows 10. You can send quotes and invoices, record expenses and bills, manage projects, and streamline your accounting. You can see notifications and more right on the status bar, check transaction statuses, view notifications, and start timers for projects right from the status bar without interruptions from your accounting work. Additionally, the status bar also allows you to view the switch between different organizations you have created under your Zoho Books account. If you're choosing between the website and desktop app has some advantages over the website version. And first one is mobility. This app is also available on the tablet, so you can do your accounting on the go. It also has a clutter-free UI, so you have much clearer space to work with and to see all of the modules and tabs. And it also has a high security with Windows Hello. You can set up fingerprints or face recognition, so all of your data is protected. Unfortunately, Zoho Books app is only available for Windows users. The next app that has a desktop version is Zoho Writer. You can create, edit, and collaborate on docs from the comfort of your home. Say hello to complete desktop word processor that has everything but costs nothing. Zoho took Writer and all of its features and carefully condensed into a smart app, taking everything from the writing and editing to signing and collaboration as sturdy on your desktop as in browser version. The advantages of using the desktop version is the fact that you can work offline and create different documents offline, and the best feature of Zoho Writer's desktop app is that you can sync it with your tablet or phone Zoho Writer app, and then if you're working out of the office or on the go from your phone, all of the documents will be synced and then you can finish them on your desktop. And Zoho Writer desktop app is available for Windows, Macs, and Linux users. The next Zoho app that also works better in desktop version is Zoho Meeting. You can use Zoho Meetings application and easily start meetings from desktop. With Zoho Meetings app for personal computer, you can now start meetings with just a click. You can collaborate over audio or video with Zoho Meetings desktop application. Start a meeting, invite participants, share your screen, and effectively collaborate, all from Zoho Meeting desktop app. The desktop application helps you remotely collaborate and get work done from anywhere at any time. The main advantages of using Zoho Meetings desktop app is the fact that you can start meetings instantly. There's different shortcuts in the app, so instead of going through the tabs and finding where Zoho Meeting is and starting a meeting is much more time consuming from the website. And from a Zoho Meeting desktop app, you can just use a shortcut keys to start the meeting right away. Again, if you're interested in shortcuts, make sure to subscribe and watch our next week's video. Also, Zoho Meetings desktop app has a very user-friendly UI. You can find everything much faster, and also it has great integrating capabilities. And you can use this app both for business and for education, for example, to host different webinars. If you're having some kind of lessons or you want to make lessons or courses that you can sell, you can also do it with Zoho Meetings desktop app. It is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux users. Another app that you have to download to your computer is Zoho Assist. Zoho Assist is a leading remote support application trusted by over 70 million customers globally, from large corporations to single-device startups. With desktop app, you can instantly access your remote device from any location, work from home efficiently, and provide remote IT solutions. So obviously, because it's a remote control software, it is much easier to use the apps on your phone or on your computer, and then you get a remote access to any of your devices. It is also available for Mac, Linux, and Windows, and also for Android smartphones and iOS smartphones. Another app that I would suggest downloading on your computer is Zoho Voice. Zoho Voice is an online telephony software with which you can purchase phone numbers to make and receive local and international business calls. With its desktop app, you can handle calls browser-free, stay focused, leverage Zoho Voice via a powerful device, skip tab toggling, and stay signed in. Obviously, with desktop app, it's much easier to use the telephone, and if you have any incoming calls, it is pretty hard to react quickly going through different tabs if you have multiple opened up in browser. And with the desktop app, it is much easier to navigate through your telephony experience. The next app that has a desktop version is Zoho Cliq. Zoho Cliq simplifies your team communication with organized conversations, easy to find information, and connections to the tools you love. You can work together no matter where you are, unite not only your team but also tasks, files, and everything you need to work together smoothly. Unfortunately, my experience with Zoho Cliq's desktop version wasn't the best. I think they need to work on this app more, so I would still suggest using a website version of Zoho Cliq rather than switching to a desktop app, at least until they make it work better. But it is available for Windows, Macs, and Linux users. And the last app that I want to mention that has a desktop version is Zoho Connect. You can build a thriving workspace culture with Connect's centralized intranet solution for internal communications, employee engagement, and collaboration. Whether they are in-office employees or distributed teams, you can effectively broadcast critical information for everyone with Connect. Unfortunately, we don't really use Zoho Connect in our company, so I can't share my experience in using a desktop app for this app, but it is available for Windows, Macs, and also Linux users. And again, if you want to get a subscription for any of those apps, or you want to get a subscription to different Zoho bundles, you can go to our website and open up the article that I will leave the link down below in the description box. And you can find all of the links to where you can get a subscription and also the links where you can download the desktop versions of all of the apps that I mentioned. And also, I want to talk about Zoho mobile apps. A lot of Zoho apps actually have mobile versions of the software, and I'm using some of them very actively. As a marketer, I'm always using social because even when I'm out of the office or on the go, I can still post and schedule posts across different social medias, and I can see all of the analytics. I also actively use the Zoho CRM mobile app and obviously Zoho Cliq to stay collaborated with the team. But I will show you which Zoho apps have mobile version. If you didn't know, you can find this very interesting and also download your favorite app from Zoho bundles and Zoho apps to your phone to work on the go or when you're out of the office. If we're talking about Zoho bundles of apps, Zoho One has a mobile version, and let's move on to sales apps. First one is Zoho CRM, obviously Zoho Begin, Forms, Route IQ, and also there are some additional apps like Card Scanner and CRM Analytics for marketing, the social campaigns, surveys, meeting, backstage for organizers and for attendees. For customer support, there are Desk, Writer for Desk, Assist Technician, Assist Customer, and Sales IQ. For finance, there's a lot of different apps like Books, Invoice, Expense, Inventory, Subscriptions, and Payroll. And there's also some generators like Expense Report Generator, Estimate Generator, Invoice, and Purchase Order Generator. There are also some additional apps like Revenue Forecaster, Daybook, and Inventory Stock Tracker. For human resources, there's People, Recruit, Connect, Workerly, and Workerly Kiosk. There's also Zoho Contracts for legal apps. And also security and IT management includes One Authenticator, a very useful app that I would highly recommend downloading, Vault and Site 24/7. For email and office, there's Mail, Mail Admin, Workspace, bundle of app, Streams, Team Inbox, Writer, Sheet, Show, and obviously Notebook. For collaboration, there's WorkDrive, Cliq, Connect, Meeting, Sign, and additional apps like Cartistic, where you can easily create stunning charts and graphs on your phone, Zia Search, Docs, Doc Scanner, and Team Inbox. For BI and Analytics, there's Analytics and Analytic Dashboards. For project management, Project Sprints and Bug Tracker. For custom solutions, obviously the last app is Creator. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Please leave down in the comments below how was your experience working with Zoho desktop apps, if you like it or not and you prefer to work with website versions of the apps. And also please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click the notification button so you don't miss any useful information that we share here.